Hello YouTube. This is more of a question than an answer. I just changed the oil in my compressor, which I've had for maybe 15 or 20 years. It's always had 30 weight in it. I don't remember if it came with the compressor, but I think I purchased it, and I think I put regular old motor oil in it, conventional, which is a big no-no. But it never gave me any trouble. When I drained it out, it looked pretty good. It didn't look milky. It wasn't like there was a bunch of metal filings in it. It looked fine, looked clean, decent. Much better than what comes out of my cars or my truck. So anyway, I was having a little trouble finding concise answers as what to put into this. And they recommended compressor oil, synthetic, But I just went ahead with some synthetic motor oil. I didn't go with the special mobile one. And there's more than one mobile one, so I can't think of the name, but there's definitely one that's recommended. I didn't go with that. I just wanted a regular old synthetic oil, basically Walmart brand, 10W30. It looks like it's lighter than the 30 that was in there. That was getting thick in the colder weather, and that's the real reason I changed it. So I'm gonna keep an eye on it. If it gets a little funny looking in there, maybe I'll change it, but I'd appreciate it if you have experience with this. If you've been fine with regular conventional motor oil, if you've been fine with regular synthetic motor oil, or if you had a problem and you definitely recommend special compressor oil, let me know. I'd love to see it in the comments. Thank you.